Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, go to date and time. So firstly you have to disable use network provided time feature. Here you can change your date, here you can change your time. You can also change your time zone here, and you can change hour format from 24-hour to 12-hour. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.